Hey guys, welcome back to World of Fidgets. Yeah, I'm the president here, and that's my friend.
Yep.
So today we're gonna make like a slime kit. Again, not a slime collection, a slime kit, because because it's gonna help make our World of Fidgets slime. So we're gonna put everything in here. First, we're gonna go through. Sorry, what are you doing? Bro, now we're getting my bed messy.
It's okay.
Guys, don't ask why we're doing this in my bed. Like, just stop with the camera, please. It's very annoying sometimes. Okay. So yes, at my room. That's like the closet part of my room. Yeah, whatever.
Yes.
Okay.
Can we scoot over a bit?
Okay. Okay. Donuts. We're eating protein. We're hungry. We eat big bags. Because I'm really weird.
Big back.
You're big bags. You just don't like dark chocolate. Like,
yeah, it's like.
I don't like it, but it's not even that much dark chocolate in that. You're like, oh, I warned you. And you're like, no, I want to copy you. Anyways.
That's not how I thought.
Do you not know what mimicking is?
Well, it's just copying what
Guys, is mimicking copying like exactly with the same accent what you're saying? Or is it copying what they're saying?
Anyways,
but making like a weird voice. Like, ew.
Anyways, let's just get
First we're gonna see. We have like a couple paints. These are the paint colors we use the most.
And glitters.
Paint colors we use the most. Then we have these glitters. So first we have this like red kind of glitter.
And then
this purple. And then you can go.
And then we have like this
blue,
bluish.
And there's this other purple one. And then you saw the paints. So these two. And then these two. And then we have this like random nail polish. Don't ask. We just have this random nail polish because like we're running out of red stuff. I have this couple balloons because I also use this to make stress balls. We have bubbles. Sometimes we put this in there. Some customers ask for that. So yeah, we have that.
You have two shaving creams.
Yeah, because this is almost done. So and then we have.
She has all the ingredients.
We have clay.
And then we have this glue.
Fake snow, activator. That's what we use laundry detergent, but that's our secret, okay?
Yeah, it is.
Anyway, so it's like kind of sticky. But after we film this.
Yeah, because we made slime today.
Icy slime, it was really good. Anyways.
Yeah, and it's really soft.
Icy slime is soft.
I know.
Okay, guys, don't ask why my hair is a mess. Hey-yar! That's how she is. Because I'm really weird. I'm like not in, I'm like really weird today. Don't ask. Comment down what other videos we should do apart from advertisements. Oh, guys, look. I made this new Valentine's Day blind bag. Oh, and so it's like has a bunch of cute stuff inside. And whoever subscribes and first person who comments on this video gets this blind bag for just $2. So yeah, also you guys have to kind of be in. Well, we'll talk about that later. Anyways, yeah, I think that's it. Okay, I'm gonna go refill the activator. You can entertain them. Have fun entertaining. Getting entertained by this tiny kid. Oh, she's not this short. She's like, hey, yar. I stand up regularly. So she tiny. She kind of. Good up.
I'm going with her.
Oh.
I'm coming. Go.
Oh, guys, guess how old I am and she is in the comments, okay?
Yeah, your mom wants to talk to you.
And that's my mom. We're filming a YouTube video.
Hey,
Okay.
Yeah.
So she has to cut care of mom.
Sorry.
Dia. Okay, sorry.
Yeah,
Sorry about that. Just don't mind that.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, so we're back. I was just talking to my mom. Yeah, forget about that. Anyways, so Anyway, so yeah, comment down how what we are. I'm gonna go fill up the activator.
Yes, guys.
Oh my god, all the comment down my mom looks like me. Because everyone does that, but I don't see it. Like, I don't know if you guys saw my mom in the clip, but like she was there for like 2 seconds. So try your best.
Okay.
Entertain them.
Yes, I will. So, yeah. My name is Dia. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So, I don't know. I think she'll be needing a little bit of help. I'm just gonna go check on her. I'm gonna be back.
I know, guys, we're sorry about that. She just doesn't know where. Well, she doesn't know a lot of stuff, but it's okay. Entertain them. I don't need any help.
Well, I'm coming with you.
We'll be back.
Guys,
locked up.
Yeah, we switched. Okay, we switched. Guys, that was so weird. Why did it
But don't mind the
Please don't mind.
background, okay? It's
No,
just like,
please don't mind.
oh my gosh, it's like really stretchy. And it's just like bubbles.
You guys see my niece?
Bunches. So good. And these little
You won't even wear
gummy
perfume
are
this
so
school, honey.
cute. Well,
Oh,
especially
deodorant.
the blue with the pink
I understand.
looks so
Please
pretty.
wear perfume.
And the purple, and the purple with like the purple looks so cute.
Oh, you just taking random.
I love them so much.
Oh, these are preppy.
Thank you. If you
So
want to
what?
see,
You
this
can
is how the perfect
Oh,
guys.
all the perfect things you have.
And then like,
You want me to make like a 2 million shirts? No, I'm kidding. If I'm not gonna get my mom won't let me get them.
Oh, yeah.
Because is that cute?
Because I understand.
the numbers are so
I don't
cute. Like, I'm obsessed.
they're like okay.
I
They're like
can't
okay.
stop.
Oh, wow, they're so
today,
cute, bro. I have a bunny wallet.
Say,
Bunny blossom.
I
They're so
have-
cute.
And they're
You have the 48 angels. Oh yeah,
and they're quick. So much.
Oh my god, what the heck? What the heck?
Yeah,
Ow.
this is a stack.
Don't mind the background thing.
That's not me tackling you.
It clicks. So
What are you trying to do? Okay, guys, I'm
Good.
trying to.
Packing.
She's built.
I love it.
There's three guys. So
I
we use the slime on these newspapers.
Just that's
like
it.
on top of them because.
And
Make
then
a
it stretches.
Dude, can you stop and be regular for a minute? Okay, so first we're gonna put this.
I can't stop.
We're gonna put this loose. It's like over here.
And here's the
We're gonna put activator. They can see, bro.
position.
Well, you
I
can't.
love it so much. Thank
That's
you.
what I
I love you guys.
No,
This
but
is
they're
so
talking. I'm not gonna
cute. I'm just gonna I'm gonna hang this on my backpack for school. And this squishy that I picked this. I love it.
If you can hear me, then.
Anyways, thank you.
If you can't
Just
hear
say
me,
sorry to them.
Guys,
If you can hear me, great.
Can't
Can't hear me?
for the slime. It's so
Great.
pretty. And guys,
Where'd the other glitter go?
I have to show you some. It's like
Yeah.
but don't mind the background, okay? It's just like, oh my gosh, it's like really stretchy.
Let me show you the fake snow. I don't know. But we're showing you again.
Bubbles.
So we have bubbles.
Bunches. So good.
And that's our out.
And these little gummy bears.
It's like, no, one second. Because one time
Well,
I was
especially
shaking and I
the
could hear.
blue with the pink.
What are you doing, my
Looks
Golden
so
General?
pretty. And the purple with like the purple. Looks
Because
so
I'm
cute.
like on your desk. There's like popping.
I love them
Study
so
stuff,
much.
books.
Thank you.
And when
If you want
on
to
there,
this is
this
how
is
the
Golden General.
big slide is like.
That's literally my desk right now.
I really
It's so messy, bro.
Nobody cares.
Okay, I don't. She's not in the camera half the time.
The numbers are so cute. Like, I'm obsessed. I can't stop playing with them. And they're, oh my gosh, there's gummy bears everywhere.
I don't think
And they're
it's the legendary, but like, Womp womp. Okay, so this is the final thing. And then you see,
Don't mind the background thing.
I'm gonna get the middle thing. Ow, sorry.
So
Sorry about that. I don't know if you guys can see,
good.
but
I love it.
can you guys see that?
Just that's
Can you guys see that?
Me only.
Okay, there you go.
Stretch.
I think you can kind of see it. She's built different. It's okay. Some people are built different. Oh my god!
Sorry, guys.
Guys, you're just gonna see my hair. Okay, so you're gonna put this. I'm gonna put this away, and you keep entertaining them. But guys, please comment on what video to book about for my advertisement. Very out of video.
Pick this.
I'm really being cringe.
I love it so much. Anyways, thank you for everything. Bye. Hi,
God knows what.
Thank you for this lab. It's so pretty. And if you
You
guys
guys like
Nobody cares about that. See, guys, she's just showing random things that are preppy.
don't mind the background, okay?
okay, so it's perfectly. Oh, it's not like that. You don't even know the definition of.
It's just like
Look,
bubbles.
Me and my eyes just really showing things.
No, but they're cute.
I like that.
Anyway,
See,
I'm gonna-
from the fidgets to this, those are
Blue with
fidgets.
the pink.
we share other things.
so pretty.
It's about our employees
purple.
and
There's
products.
the purple with like the purple.
That's about me, and I'm the employee. Can you carry
I
something?
love the so
Okay,
much.
this and then oh my.
If you want it,
Guys, I have to carry the
I'll
camera and
I'll
this.
carry this and the potato.
No one wants the potato. It's a thing. I mean, it's a squishy I made like 2 years ago for the kinetic sand. Like, nobody cares. I made like. She's coming back.
so cute. Like, I'm obsessed.
Okay, but I'm staying here.
Stop.
Oh, guys, sorry. Turn the lights on.
But
It's fine. I'm staying here. Sorry, guys. She has to go home. Can you put the? Can you? Okay, one form. We're gonna finish. Okay, do you know where to put it?
don't mind the background.
Wait. Put this on top. मैंने cover ची याद दिया हमें नीचे नहीं करे.
Good.
I know, Mama. I don't care.
Just that's
sorry. Sometimes it's okay.
And then the stretch.
Dear, it hasn't been 10 minutes. It's been 6 minutes.
It stretches so
If you
well.
want to go home, you can.
I'll stay in the video.
Okay, so we're gonna about to end the video in just a couple of minutes.
It stretches amazing.
So,
I love it so much.
yeah, eat
Thank you, and I love you guys. This is so cute.
one bite, dear. Put it in your mouth.
I'm gonna hang this
It's
on
not
the
that
back for
deep.
school.
Sorry, guys.
And this squishy that
And you're gonna throw it
like
away.
this. I love it so much. Anyways, thank you for everything. Bye.
Anyways,
Hi, Zlata. Thank you for the slab. It's so pretty. And if you go
anyway, so I like to show you some video. So that's gonna be the end
I don't mind the
of
background.
today's video. Please comment
Oh my
down
gosh, it took me
and
stretchy.
what videos we should do apart from
It's just like
advertisements.
bubbles.
And I think that's it for today's video. And then we'll be back at World of Fidgets. Bye bye.
And these little gummy bear strips are so cute.